regarding naman po dun sa case ni Senator Loren Legarda, two senators parang sinabi na may serious illness po siya. Kami lang po sa mga nagsabi si Senator Ping Lacson and SP Win. So what's your reaction on this po?
Well, kung talagang meron siyang serious illness, sana isa lang po yung hiningi niya na medical leave, hindi yung pa-extend, no? And that is the only reason why the Office of the Ombudsman had to flag that type of pattern, is because there was already a time period stated in the Travel Authority, but there were several extensions. And the fact that both mother and son are out of the country adds to the speculation, or adds to the suspicion of the Office of the Ombudsman.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Just to add to that, we have to flag that type of behavior because itong mga kaso ho natin nakakaapekto po sa mga buhay ng taong bayan. Yung price po ng electricity tumaas dahil sa unfulfilled promises, no, ng franchise na yon. And a lot of the allocations for solar power was given to this company, and yet hindi nila nagawa. So ngayon, nararamdaman po ng taong bayan yung hirap at yung pagtaas ng presyo ng kuryente. So, sa tingin ho ng Office of the Ombudsman, sana po meron din tayong say, no, na sana wag na muna kayong lumabas ng bansa. Sana po ay manatili muna kayo dito sa bansa para po medyo maliwanagan po tayo doon sa nangyari at maliwanagan din ang taong bayan sa katotohanan. And that's the only reason why we are flagging yung kanilang travel at this moment in time, dahil it's really very suspicious na nandiyan po sila at meron tayong kaso dito na kailangan sumagot na sila, kailangan mag-appear na sila, at yun pa yung time na lumabas sila ng bansa.
Sir, were they ordered not to file counter affidavit?
They were. There was already an order to file a counter affidavit.